Head loop roll installation. Firstly, take out the fixed block. Install the head loop roll into the material holder. The winding direction of the head loop is clockwise. Then lock the screws of the block. According to the operation in the video, please pass head loop through guiding parts in turn. Please pass head loop through guiding parts in turn. Click press cylinder button on the touch screen to open the pressing cylinder until it reaches the cutting position of the head loop. Click press cylinder button again to close the pressing cylinder. Then click cut cylinder button to cut the excess head loop. Installation finished.